Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. We're taking another look here at Solana, seeing what's going on. I want to start by saying thank you again to some amazing people in my trading life. We were able to hit it. We hit 50,000 recently. So thanks again so much for awesome support and just wonderful feedback too. And again, Solana's community has been really awesome. So keep up the good work. What we're going to do is here talk about a little bit, just to kind of preface, we did break out of this falling wedge pattern, so it's a very good sign. We retested the support here at 0.236 nicely when Bitcoin is struggling, okay? So again, that's not a bad thing at all. You might think so, but if you look at this behavior versus that of Bitcoin, it's tremendously better. In other words, Solana is holding its price action in place a lot better than Bitcoin is, and it's double bottoming instead of kind of like lowering, okay? I don't know if that's even a thing, but I just kind of made it up. However, you get the gist. We are still within the cloud, but we're about to break above here. Again, a closure above 106 is what I was looking for today. We're at like 105.85. Okay, we might even be at 106 by the end of this recording. So again, some good stuff going on there. That's really not that terrible. Looking at the daily time frame, let's quickly note a couple of things here and kind of move on. So moving average, we got the price action right here at about $89. We can see for this simple moving average at 89. That is not a bad place as far as the simple moving average is concerned. It's below the price action. That's what we want to see. When we take a look at all the other indicators, this hasn't changed much since earlier today. Stochastic is diverging, so to speak, but we got a MACD potential divergence on the horizon that hasn't happened yet. Okay, so these are just things you want to kind of watch out for. They're not necessarily deal breakers or important things to recall. It's good to know kind of in the back end, keep it in the back of your mind, okay? So again, the general consensus is that we're still bullish on the uptrend, and that's the important thing. Looking at the uptrend here, we can kind of see this interesting little thing right here at about 106.50, where the 20 and the 50-day SMA are kind of hanging out. That could be a significant resistance level. We're going to see it. It's going to be nice to be above that level. That could possibly work disadvantageously, but we got the MACD trying to converge, but hasn't yet. And we saw that earlier today, as a matter of fact. It's kind of plateauing for the moment. That does happen when you got a couple of doji candles in a row. Oftentimes when you see two doji candles close in a row, there's a likelihood of reversal because it's kind of swinging down there. I think we're more likely to go up at this point, especially if Bitcoin can stabilize and stop being a little jackass. Okay, that's the nicest word I can think about right now for that. All right, take a look here at the center stage here, so to speak. 5 on the RSI, 50 on the RSI rather. That is basically where the price action is averaging itself out. This is normally a good place to buy. I love buying when the price action has stochastic RSI, traditional RSI at 50 and money flow index at 30. And that's usually a good place to consider entry. I'm not telling you to take a long position here, but I've had a lot of success with the RSI being right at a support, 50 or 30, and the money flow index being lower, because right now the general consensus is that money's flowed out of this coin literally for the last 24 to 48 hours. People were willing to buy. You can only sell for so long. You can't sell stuff you don't own, right? That's basically what's going on. So people want to buy. So it's a good sign, likely more likelihood for further upside because of that little sentiment there. Take a look at TD sequential. We're up to a 6. That could very well reset here soon. So we're consolidating nicely at this range of between 0.236, 0.382. So roughly range bound within the last 12 hours of 104 and 1 away. Okay, so it's just kind of the little range we're in. And again, in order to break a descending or ascending trend, you got to go range bound for a short while. That's usually the starting point. So this could tell us the price will want to go up or down here soon. The reason why I feel like we're probably going to go up more so is just because we have a few good things here. We got the conversion line above the baseline here. Let me clean this up. It kind of gets messy. We've also got the lagging span. Conversion line above the baseline here. Lagging span is free and clear for the moment. And then, of course, key takeaway here is we're tentatively within the cloud. Okay, and I say tentative because it could very well come out there. It could stay. The general rule of thumb is to wait for it to close above. Because as I talked about earlier today, I was like, okay, price action's right here. Looks like we're going to be in good shape. I was looking for an entry at 105 to 108. It's 106 to 108. And the price comes up and it's like, nope, just kidding. And a little fake out there. That's exactly why you wait for confirmation for a few hours above that. And even though the price pulled back, we decided to take a long for Solana. I'm in a long right now with our community at about 105-ish. Like I think 105.50, 105.60. I'll double check. But that is definitely a position that we're in right now. Okay, so just to give you perspective, there's a good chance the price is going to continue further up, especially with the way that Solana has been holding strong while Bitcoin is pulling back. Yes, Solana pulled back, but it's recovered a lot quicker than most coins available right now. That leads me to believe there's strength in this situation here, and 106 should be a good support level. Okay, so those are my 2 cents. What are your 2 cents? Comment below, let us know your thoughts. If you haven't already, jump on over to Bitunix, phenomenal exchange, highly recommended. No KYC or VPN. You have to use the link down below though to benefit from these rewards between now and December 31st. Okay, so heads up on that. Awesome exchange. And if you're not currently part of our community, what are you doing? Jump on over to our Discord to get to know our traders, and maybe consider a premium membership. We got a lot of cool signals here and trades that we have set up. Again, Chainlink 32% in 5 hours, ICP 2 hours, 25%. And of course, here's our Solana long here from earlier today. But a lot of profits raking in through here. So just congrats and happy holidays to everybody. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that wonderful stuff. I'm glad it's working out well, and it's just great to be part of this with you, this journey. So thanks again. We'll look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care. Thank you.